Today I'm going to show you some two-handed flip kick combos using a reversal transition for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. This channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into the third set of combos for level 2.4, which use a reversal transition to do. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your third set of combos for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. A reversal transition is anytime you land a trick with leg 1 followed by leg 2 and then take off into another trick with leg 2 followed by leg 1. So the first combo is going to be a transformer round follow through to a cartwheel hook. So you're going to do your transformer round and follow through to a frontside stance. And from there, you're set up to throw your cartwheel hook. Second combo is going to be a cartwheel hook follow through to a transformer round. So you're going to do your cartwheel hook and follow through to a frontside stance. And from there, you're set up to lift that cheat leg up and throw your transformer round. Third combo is going to be a master scoot round to a hand swipe hook. So you're going to do your master scoot round and land in a backside stance. And from there, you're set up to lift that swing leg up into your hand swipe hook. And the last combo is going to be a hand swipe hook to a master scoot round. So you're going to do your hand swipe hook and land in a backside stance. And from there, you're going to lift that cheat leg up into your master scoot round. Now, don't forget, because we are focusing just on a transition, you can start the combo with a spin or not, and you can end the combo with a follow through or not. It's totally up to you. For me, the hardest combo out of all these combos was definitely the master scoot round to hand swipe hook. So basically on this one, you just really need to emphasize the master scoot round being super slanted so you can actually get your foot back behind you and get ready for that hand swipe hook. Otherwise, it makes it like super difficult. That's pretty much my only tip. And then all the other ones, make sure you're keeping your eyes open, make sure you're focusing on the move that you're doing as you're doing it, and all that good stuff. And if you want to get a little bit more practice with this combo before you actually do this combo, you can click on that tutorial right there. And those movements should help you with this transition and these combos a little bit more. So get that and then come back here and then try it, and hopefully it helps you out a little bit. Let's go ahead and check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It means a lot to me that you guys are down to support growing this curriculum as much as you are. And if you would like to become a patron, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Anything helps. Next, we're going to be getting into the fourth set of combos for level 2.4, which use a redirect transition, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated. Upraiz. Yes, I got it.